Everybody, Lance Browning, Income Solutions Wealth Management here in Tyler. We'll start off this week like we did the last one with an inspirational quote. This one from F. Scott Fitzgerald. Never confuse a single defeat with a final defeat. Never confuse a single defeat with a final defeat. That's from F. Scott Fitzgerald. Good stuff. So we're going to have good news and bad news. We'll give you the bad news first. So the economic struggles in our country are among the worst we've ever seen. We all know that. In April, a record 20 million people lost their jobs, and 36 million people have filed for unemployment since the COVID-19 pandemic struck in mid-March. Record drops in consumer confidence, manufacturing, and spending are all adding to the immediate economic fallout. Specific industries have been devastated, with names like Penney, J.Crew, and Neiman Marcus all filing for bankruptcy. Clothing sales are down 89%. Furniture sales are down 66%, and restaurant sales are down 49% from this time last year, according to the U.S. Census Bureau. Yet, as F. Scott Fitzgerald wrote above, these single defeats don't necessarily add up to one final defeat. Our country has survived many trying times before, and we are starting to see glimmers of hope on both the economic and medical fronts. Our resolve and fortitude will once again shine as we head towards better times in the second half of 2020. More testing for COVID-19 is needed to help identify infected people and stop the virus from spreading. And that's happening. As testing has soared, the number of positive COVID-19 results as a percentage of total tests has trended lower, and that percentage consistently has been beneath 10%, according to the data from the COVID Tracking Project. In addition, doctors have developed a toolbox of sorts of drugs to help provide patients a better chance at survival. Antiviral drugs in combination with other drugs are showing significantly better results now than just a few weeks ago. The World Health Organization has reported potentially positive data in several treatments. Although a vaccine could still be a year or more away, human drug trials are underway with encouraging initial results. So here's the good news. In the face of the devastating loss of human life and historically weak economic data, the S&P 500 index, however, has experienced one of its greatest short-term rallies ever, up more than 30% from the March 23 lows at its recent peak. Based on historical trends, we anticipate a warranted correction in stocks over the coming months. Stock valuations are historically expensive. Tensions are building again between the U.S. and China, and the stock market's momentum is showing signs of waning, and we're entering the historically weak summer months. All of those are reasons to maybe be a little bit cautious. History bears this out. All major S&P 500 bear markets in the past 60 years had a significant bounce off the market lows, followed by a correction of about 10% on average before another surge higher. Based on this historical trend, a market correction of 8 to 12% after this recent big rally may be possible in the coming months. While current economic data may sound bad, it's important to remember that it's backward looking. Real-time economic data points such as public transportation, traveler data from the Transportation Safety Administration, fuel sales, railroad traffic, and federal tax withholding are all showing improvement in the economy as the economy begins to reopen. Finally, small businesses are the lifeblood of the U.S. economy. Amen to that. And the Bureau of Labor Statistics show that they employ 47% of all private sector jobs. Recent data showed small businesses are as optimistic about the next 6 months as they've been in 18 months, suggesting the worst may be behind us and a growing demand for their products and services could be brewing. The pain from this recession is impacting all of us, but better times are coming. Stay safe. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Again, Lance Browning, Income Solutions Wealth Management in Tyler. Take care. Bye-bye.